THAJA, 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 THAJA. From the mist-kissed valley of Manipur, a girl walks with dawn. Her steps keep time with the earth's own song. Her beauty is not chance, not ornament, not noise. It is memory breathing through soil, through song, through voice. THAJA, you are my girl of my dream. Not distant, not imagined, but real as the valley that breathes you. THAJA, THAJA, you made me crazy. I've gone crazy. I watch in quiet wonder. Your presence calls my name. In your hand, the sunlight rests upon your skin like land that raised your breath. Almond eyes hold older roads than maps, than words, than steps. Your smile comes without asking. Your laughter knows its place. A beauty shaped by harvest fire and evening shade. Calls my name. You arrive without demand. Beauty learned through patience, resting gently in your hand. Métis beauty, the beauty of valley. The hills watches your beauty. The birds sing, but the sky walks. It moves as you move, echoing dance, taught by earth, born of beauty. THAJA, THAJA. You made me crazy. I've gone crazy. I watch in quiet wonder. Your presence calls my name. You arrive without demand. Beauty learned through patience, resting gently in your hand. You are the flower of my land, blooming once among high winds, revealed by patient valleys. I cannot unseen you, because beauty like yours is made of presence. THAJA, THAJA. You made me crazy. I've gone crazy. I watch in quiet wonder. Your presence calls my name. THAJA, you arrive without demand. Beauty learned through patience, resting gently